Hi and welcome. I'm trying to learn etymology, today Induce. And after we've done that, in the second part of the video, we're going to do shoulder impingement training. And if you participate in the shoulder impingement training, which is to train that the shoulder is more back so that the biceps tendon is not impinged when lifting the arm up. So if you participate in that, this is the arm risk. Induce, we're having a dictionary. Induce, English. Etymology. Induce comes from Middle English inducen, borrowed from Latin inducer, and that means lead in, bring in, introduce. So in Latin it is inducere, and in Middle English induce, and now in English induce. And that means in Latin lead in, bring in, introduce. Latin inducere. And that comes from the syllables in and duco. That means lead conduct. And to compare, they are suggesting adduce, conduce, deduce, produce, reduce, etc. To blade of endue. Okay, pronunciation. What's an audio file? Okay, verb. Induce. Third person singular simple present. Induces. Present participle. Inducing simple past and past participle. Induce. Andusive. One, transitive, to lead by persuasion or influence, incite or prevail upon. Synonyms are entice, unveil, put someone up to something. So it means to lead by persuasion or influence. To lead someone or something through persuasion or through influence on someone or something. Also in the way like incite something or prevail upon something. And in that context, the synonyms entice, unveil, put someone up to something. Second, transitive, to cause, bring about, lead to. Synonyms would be then bring about, instigate, prompt, stimulate, trigger, provoke, or incite. His meditation induced a compromise. His meditation induced a compromise. Okay, it can mean to cause or to bring about or to lead to something. Or in the first form here, to lead by persuasion or influence. Now the third possible meaning, to induce the labor can that also mean, and the fourth one would be then to cause or produce electric current or magnetic state by physical process of induction. To cause or produce an electric current or a magnetic state by a physical process of induction. So induce could be also used in the form of causing or producing an electric current or a magnetic state. And it can also mean to infer by induction. Antonym would be deduce. 6. Transitive obsolete, to lead in, bring in, introduce. Yes, to lead in, introduce. And 7th one, obsolete, to draw on, place upon. Can we add an example for this sense? It's not really a victory. So 7, to draw on, place upon. Okay, the main one we're going to take from that are to lead someone something by persuasion or to influence on someone, or to incite something or to prevail upon something, to entice something, to put someone up to something, to induce someone to do something. I would get it from that. Or the second one, maybe more easier to understand, to cause, to bring about something. To bring about something, to prompt something, to stimulate something. And also to cause or to produce an electric current, to produce electricity. Basically, I don't know the exact difference. To produce something. In the form of, in physics, used as to produce electric current or magnetic state. Derived terms, auto-induce, contra-induce. Related terms, inducement, inducer. References. Okay. Anagrams, unicid. In Galician, it is undicere. In Italian, indure. In Latin, induco. In Romanian, I don't remember what it is. In Induca. I can't find where it is in. as a verb to induce, incite, cause or push to do something. Induc in ra, to mislead. To induce, bring about, cause, infer by induction, produce by induction. That is the Romanian. Okay, and Spanish was also. No, this is Spanish. Inducir. Okay, what we had for our part here was that it, to the etymology part, it comes from the middle, over the Middle English inducen, and from Latin inducere, lead in, bring in, introduce, in, lucere. And it means to have an influence on someone, or to incite someone or something, or to cause or bring something about, or to cause or produce a magnetic state or an electric current. Okay, that's where we were here, more or less. Now, what we know here would be a good opportunity to save it in the presentation, but we don't have time left. So we're going to do another part to etymology in use, and where we're going to do a little presentation and try to say what I just said in 10-15 seconds, but from memory, so I can't read it like I just did. And I need 2-3 minutes to prepare for it, and we don't have these 2-3 minutes. So if you're here for making our presentation so that other people can have what we read in the last 6 minutes there, went down in 15-20 seconds in a video, you can go directly to the next video we're going to do it. We will do now the short impingement training. If you participate in the short impingement training, that is at your own risk. I'm doing a few shoulder circles. Back, up, and front, and down. If you participate, that is at your own risk. And again, back, up, and front, and down. And the other way around in front, up, back, and down. And again, front, up, back, and down. And now, what are we doing now? Yes, next exercise. It is better on the word letter. Long arms, strong fists, and we bring the shoulders down and together. And now turn the arms to internal rotation. Now the arms to the outside, the shoulders still down, heads together. The arms again to the inside, shoulders down, hands together. And last time the arms are changing to the outside, shoulders down, hands together. And the next exercise, it's similar, the arms at the side, hands front to fists, bring them a bit in front, bring the arms in front, bring the shoulders down and together. And the arms back, shoulders up and in front. And with arms in front, shoulders down and together. And the arms back, shoulders up and in front. And the next exercise, we are lifting the arms up, we're doing a shrug the arms up, and shrug the shoulders up. And let them all down again. And again the arms up, shrug the shoulders up, and let it go down again. And the last time, arms up, shoulders up, and go down. Next exercise, the pretzel curl, arms together, bring them down into the outside, and again in and together, and down to the outside. We just observe what the scapula are doing. And loosen a bit up to the outside and to the inside. Now we're doing the sun iron. Just use a sock, a tennis ball, have the long arm at the outside, let it fall down, and try to catch it again. And on the other side. And just stretching by bringing one arm in front, shoulders back and down, pull the arm and have your fingers stretch, relax your arm, go with back with the shoulder. And over the other arm. So the arm is pulling the arm, shoulder is back and down. Now pull the arm in, have flat fingers, try to relax the arm and go with back with the shoulder. And that was a short impingement training. And thank you very much, and until next time.